Currently at the Central Florida Zoo with my family, and right now we're in the insect section. I don't know how big the zoo is, but it looks pretty small so far, but I'm so excited to feed the giraffes and see some other animals. Right now I'm in my favorite section because all of these are butterflies.
So some did not want to survive and became mammals than us. So this is the beaver that we have today. This is the beaver that we find fossils. And we had jaguars and lions.
So dope. They actually have eagles here. So cute. Let me see if you can see them. Oh, you can't see them. giraffes are so cute. Oh, you looking at me? Hi. Oh, hi. Come over here. Oh, he's walking away. Wait. He's turning around. Come over here. Come on. But you guys will see pictures of me feeding it. I don't know if you'll see videos, I don't know. But they're so cute. So I totally recommend come feeding the giraffes because they are absolutely adorable. Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my day at the zoo. I had a lot of fun. My favorite part was feeding the giraffes, so I definitely recommend coming to the Central Florida Zoo. So we're here at Planet Obstacle in Sanford, Florida. And basically we got the place to ourselves. There's like a couple other people here, but we got the place to ourselves, so it's pretty dope. It's so much fun. If you guys are looking to have like a work out plus have fun, this is definitely the place to go, because you see I am sweating bullets right now. I had to take off my earrings, and yeah, it's been a lot of work. So yeah, if you guys are looking for a good like trampoline, indoor trampoline space, this is definitely a cool one, because they also have like this cool obstacle course. I'll have clips in here of, I didn't even make it, so it's not gonna be of me, but my family members doing it and stuff. And they have like one zip line, so the zip line is pretty dope. My hair's messed up. I had it out, and that wasn't a good idea. But yeah, it's really fun in here. We are definitely having a good time. To put my feet in here. Ooh. Oh, that feels weird. Oh, that feels weird. So, hey guys, I am here at Garra Spa, and I'm getting my fish spa experience, and this is what it looks like. And it feels kind of ticklish, weird, but it doesn't feel bad. I feel like every time I look at the fish, it feels a little bit like, get away from my feet. But besides that, it just feels like little vibrations, or yeah. So if you guys are in the Florida mall, check out Garra Spa. It's a fish spa experience. So you literally just come in here for 2 treatments. One is a detoxifying treatment, and this one is the fish spa experience. The fish basically like help blood flow and a bunch of other things. I'll have it all linked in the description box below.